so this is why you should do appliance repair and dryer vent cleaning. If you're going to be a dryer vent cleaner, you should do at least dryer repair, because I have come up to a problem where you got an HE error on a Samsung, and I'll explain a little more about it, but this is the Samsung heating element for it, which actually has my logo on it because I have a brand that I just launched on Amazon. Anyways, I'm going to explain kind of the process. The dryer vent cleaning is going to be part of this, and I have a bundle package for the heating element replacement and the dryer vent cleaning. So it's worthwhile to actually be in both, have both irons in the fire, so to speak. Okay, so we're in a Samsung front load dryer. I already assessed that the dryer heating element was bad, thinking it was arcing to ground. You can kind of see the lead missing here, which means that you had an HE error code because of overheating. And the other thing is the heating element will heat in an air cycle. So like in the air tumble, it will always heat no matter what. So that's where it's not cycling properly. And then here's another test that you can do of arcing to ground. I put one lead here on the lead that actually has a wire, and then to the ground here. And you have continuity, which you shouldn't. So, and then not to mention, there's evidence of a dryer fire here. You can see lint that was burnt. They actually sucked a lot of the lint out through the backside already. So some of that was, you can see on the top here, this is a little scorchy looking too. But anyways, we're going to replace that heating element, and that will fix this issue. All right, so I'm pulling open the heating element, and this is what we have arcing to the canister. That's the main culprit for this problem here. Fun stuff.